Can you hide likes you have made on Instagram Reels and post? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video, we will see if we can hide likes that you've made on Instagram Reels and post. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So as of the latest update, Instagram does not allow you to completely hide all of the likes that you have made on others reels or posts. However, you can limit or control visibility in few ways. So for that you have two options. Either you can switch to our private account or restrict some specific people. While you cannot directly hide your likes, you can control who can see your overall activity. So if you want to switch to a private account, then from your profile, for that, first of all, go to your profile, tap on the three line icon at the top right corner, and under settings and privacy, head towards account privacy. Now switch your account to private account, tap on switch to private. Now once you have done that, only your approved followers can see what you like or comment on. Second option is to restrict people. For that, go to that specific people account piece, and once you're here, tap on the three line icon at the top right, and here you could simply tap on restrict. And with that, restricted users won't see your likes, comments easily, and the messages go to your message request. So this is the second option that will let you hide that will let you control the visibility. And the other option that you have is to manually unlike post. If you want to remove some of the evidences of like, then what you can do is you can simply go to your profile and tap on the three line icon at the top right corner, and here go to your activity, head towards the likes option, and here tap on each post and unlike manually. So these are the only options that you have, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.